Okay, as you can see, I just woke up and yeah, let's start this. I was up late playing Dota yesterday. I mean this day until 4 a.m. So yeah. Okay. So it's not showing. Yeah. Now it's showing. So first body selector, background, this color. Then put this square in the middle. This might be a tricky one because it is a combination of triangles, not really square. Okay, let's continue. But as I see it, it's a various triangles composed. It's two triangles upside down. The one is the below this triangle below is you call this the width has a width and this one has no width. Okay, let's color this. Yeah, to create a triangle, zero size, remove the background, and then border left, 50 pixel, solid transparent, copy this for the right, and then copy this for the bottom, for the base. We can say that this is a color of white. Then push this to the top. And then the right and the left, reduce it. So this. Reduce this a bit. Let me zoom in. Name this try up. Maybe try one. Wait. We all know that this is triangle, right? So maybe we can just name this try one. Okay. Try one up. And this is try one down. Bot. Or the bottom. Then name this class name, and then this one is this. This is this. Okay. Then copy. Okay. And change the uh, base to the top, and next is bring this downwards. Adjust the top. Let's put a width here to make that plain bottom. Okay. Reduce this, and so let's reduce also this one and push this to the top. Zoom this in. Okay, I'm okay with this one. Now this is the tricky part. We need to rotate this 5 more times. Oh, this is really dragging, but I have no choice. So this one is two up, but okay. Let's just copy this one and paste it here. Then name this to 2 and their position. Okay. This is 110 and this is 200. It's 200. Oops. Okay, let's go back there, and yeah, let's also reverse their base. So this is bottom and this is top. Now let's create the left one. So here we can just say 3. Copy this one. I mean, it's much more cleaner here. So copy this. Rename this 1 to 3. Oops. 3. And then yeah, let's start rotating this. Maybe we can adjust the horizontal position first. Let's push this on the left side like that, and also this one. This one is not too much. 100 maybe, and apply rotate. Transform, rotate 45 degrees. I guess negative. Yeah. And also this one. Yeah, I know it's fragmented. And let's push this downwards. Hmm. 50. Also this one. Oh. Let's put this downwards. Hmm. What do you think? Yeah. We need just a little adjustment here. Oops. Okay. But we can clearly see that it's moving and it's not the right. Maybe we can just rotate more out of this. Then push this downwards and oops, yeah, it's stable right now. Just push this on the right. Okay, I understand this might be hard to perfect this. Let's just make this tayo na magbalik, mag-go back. Okay, we need to put this bottom. Okay, we're done with this. Then create this triangle tree, pair of triangle, rename this to 4, and copy this one. Let's copy this all, and we know that they are, what's the term here? Symmetric. Yeah, symmetric is the term. When you see a opposite, they are similar on the opposite. Like here, the top is symmetric to the bottom, and this one symmetric to this one, like that. And so let's create the 4, the symmetric of the 3. And like what we did earlier, let's just invert the signs here. Oh, and here to correctly position it. Then what next? From top, change to bottom. Also this one, from bottom, change to top. Okay, now let's do the last pair. Okay, 5. Rename this 4 to 5. And copy this 4 here. Right now we can do is, yeah, we can just copy this position here, this 55, 150, 100, 170. Alright. Let's make this 5. And the horizontal position is okay, only the vertical. Let's push this triangle 5 upwards so that it would show something like this one. Of course, let's copy the position on the triangle 3 where we got reference. Here's the one, negative 100, 55. Okay, this is negative, and this is negative. And why is this dragging? Okay. Oh, I see. It's not really a triangle. Oh, maybe rotation won't work here. This is interesting. Yeah. We can change this to bottom, base, and also this one, top. I guess. I guess I'm wrong. And what do you see here? Oh, how can we do this? Maybe rotate? No. Or not. Yeah, rotate maybe? Yeah. Let's just angle them. The horizontal, the vertical position must be like this one, 170 and 100. We follow the thing here. Let's create our own. Okay, let's push this bottom, this triangle top. And it's not working. Let's push this in the left and the right. Oops, wrong. Wow. Maybe we can just put a triangle without a rotation. Like just a simple triangle with a base of top. Like that. Then just place it right beside this cone here. The vertical, let's adjust, yeah. Push this bottom. Then let's push this to the right. Okay. One bottom. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's trying to show what it can show. So let's create a 6. This is the last, I swear. You're taking long enough. Copy this one, rename this 5 to 6. Then from this one, let's create an alternate. Let's create its symmetry. Change the base from top to bottom and from bottom to top. Then the position. Where's that? Just like that, we have a copy of flower. Yeah, flower. Flower. Oh no. Oh yes. Okay. Let's end here.